So yeah, before we take the trades, first of all, see what is the trend. Overall, ES, NQ, IM, RPY, natural gas, they are still bearish, and everything is looking red. That means we should mainly look for the sell signals for all these symbols. Whereas for crude oil, copper, silver, gold, mainly it is bullish. So we should mainly look for buy signal. For crude oil, it is even though it is up, but still most of these are red. So we should not even take the long positions. Even for copper also, even though it is going up, but most of these are red. So only silver is looking good. So let us look at ES and Q mainly for short signals. So whenever we get a sell signal, we can take shots on ES. Crude oil is looking good for. GC is looking good for long. Let me apply 120, $130. Yet everything is green, everything is green. There is a nice gap here. You got a buy signal. So if we get a pullback, we can keep going. Whenever we get a pullback, we can take long positions on GC. It's very volatile. It's moving very, very fast. Silver went all the way to absolute top. There can be a drop on silver. Here also it went all the way to the top. If we get a sell on silver, we can take a shot. Because it went to absolute top, this went all the way to the top. Within few minutes, we will see a drop in silver.
Bill.
So you got a perfect confidence, right? It went all the way to the top, started dropping from the top. You got a sell signal. Here we got absolute top, right? That means it reached to the maximum level it can reach. And also there was a lot of distance between the price and the T5 candle. So it came all the way to the next level. In case if it breaks this level, then it can even come all the way to this here. GC also same thing. It went all the way to the top. In case if it breaks this level, but here it is still, it did not go to the top. We have to say whether if it will break this level or not. If it breaks, we can enter one more time. So from here to here, that is nearly $300-400 with one contract. So only if we see absolute top, we'll take the shots, right? Otherwise, generally we'll go for long position. Only look for buy signals if we are above the white line. Only if we are at absolute top and this is at absolute top, that is where we'll take the short opportunities or sell signals. So, right, all you are doing is waiting for a proper level, right? Whenever you get a buy signal, you look, okay, this is telling long. Here you have a support. Here you have a support. If you get a buy signal close to a support area, that is a good one. So your buy and sell should be close to one of these key levels, right? These are the major levels where there are a lot of buyers and sellers. So instead of taking wherever you want, you are whenever you get it, you are looking for a confidence. Okay, I got a buy. Here this is good. Here this is good. Like that, you are watching for a confidence before entering a signal. So now this is not absolute top. So generally, only we look for buy signals because here it is telling it can go up. It already broke two levels. Your VWAP, MACD, PSAR, EMAs, everything is looking green. So better we only, right, it may do a pullback and again go further up. It may not come all the way here. It may come little bit down and then start going up. So that's why only look for buy signals. If you get a sell also, don't take a sell. Only exception is if it goes all the way, right? This is your absolute top. Only if it goes to that point, that resistance 8, that is where we can take a shot. It took too long because sellers were not able to take it down. Buyers again taking the control. So minimum it should go and do a double top one more time. Everything is still looking green. Yeah, because overall trend is very bullish. I am holding it. When it can touch the T5 line and bounce back again to the top. If we get a buy signal, we can go long. Silver also is moving up. GC also should move up again. So that came to the bottom. Every right, you can see the trend is completely bullish. Strength is we're all green. That means there are a lot of buyers in the market. Momentum is green, money flow is green. So even though it went to absolute top, because there was a pullback and again buyers tried to take the control. Right? They did not allow the sellers. So this level is acting as a support now. So price tried to break this level, but immediately buyers took the control again. So as I said, it may do a double top and then it may drop. Or but yeah, basically, right, we made nice gains with GC, silver. Right, yeah, using these levels, we are making nice profits every day. So tomorrow again, right, with options, also we made nice profits. So we'll continue tomorrow morning again. Right, we already made $400-500 with silver long, silver short, GC long. We'll continue in the morning again. Right. Okay, everyone. Good night. If you have any questions, I'll help in the morning. Bye bye. Good night.